Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. My name is Mark. Today I'm going to take you through step by step how I did a repair on a dresser. The left leg had a big chip out the side of it, about 3 inches by a 1/2 inch. I used the epoxy to fill it. I used wool lube to shape and mold the epoxy with a wooden block, like I did in my very first repair video, the leg. Watch that again, you'll like it. And the background color I used was light golden tan. The toner was golden oak and tavern pine. I used Van Dyke brown glaze to paint the grain and top coat it with flat oil finish. It came out pretty good. I'm gonna show you the pictures. Let's get to it. I hope you like it. There's the left side, the damage to it. Pretty good sized chunk out of it. I used epoxy, mixed it together, make sure it's all one color. Push it down into the damage. I got a wooden block here. It's an old table block to use for the to shape it and to mold it. Push the epoxy down into it. Come back with some wool lube on top of the epoxy to take the wood back and forth, piece of wood back and forth to shape and mold the damage. Nice and smooth. At the top. Come back with a razor blade to cut the sides off. Start in the middle of it though, it's the best way to do it. Cut it off, the excess. Do the same thing with the side, wool lube, back and forth, nice and smooth, looks good. Got to sand some more there. I did sand a little bit too much on the top, so I had to come back with the fill stick oak color to fill in the small little fine lines there. But I did take a cardboard to smooth it out, sand it out. I used a piece of cardboard on the side to mist the golden tan. See that small line there? Not a hard line, it's a soft line. Spray it, come back with the tavern pine toner, sprayed it, mist it, small little speckles, like the oak. Come back again with the golden oak, spray the same thing, looks really good. Let that dry. Came back with the Van Dyke glaze, mist it, small little speckles, pulled it with the paintbrush down to give it nice grain to it. It matched really well. Looks pretty good. Top coat it with the flat oil finish, the entire leg. Make sure you do the entire leg. And there it is, looks pretty good. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.